We are here today, and we remember that we are not the first. 2,000 years ago, those known as the Hopewell civilization were here long before us. We give thanks for the Hopewell and their care of the land. We're here today, and 1,300 years ago, those known today as the Mississippians were here long before us. We are here today, and we remember the Osage and the Kaw were here long before us.
We give thanks for the Osage and the Kaw and their care of the land.
We are here today, and we remember and we grieve over the Native people who were driven here by exploitation and force 2 centuries ago. We remember the Shawnee, the Wyandot, and the Kickapoo, forced here from their lands in Ohio, Indiana, and Kentucky.
We remember, we grieve, and we give thanks for their care of the land.
We remember the Munsee and the Delaware, forced here from their lands in Delaware, New Jersey, New York, and Pennsylvania.
We remember, we grieve, and we give thanks for their care of the land.
We remember the Potawatomi, forced here from their lands around Lake Michigan, in Michigan and Indiana.
We remember, we grieve, and we give thanks for their care of the land.
We remember the Sac and the Fox, forced here from their lands in Illinois and Wisconsin.
We remember, we grieve, and we give thanks for their care of the land.
We are here today, and we acknowledge that we are not the first. For all the Native people who came before us, for their suffering at the hands of colonizers, for their centuries of care for this land. We are here today, and we give thanks for our Native neighbors, for all the Native people who are around us, for all the Native people who are among us, for all the Native people who shape our lives.